Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I just want to issue a reminder. Exam 1 is due Sunday by end of day. Now some of you have already taken this exam. Most of you have not yet, so you might be still studying, which is what I'm hoping people didn't forget about it because I've issued a lot of reminders, but be sure to take that exam. It is going to be challenging. That is totally okay. A lot of people are going to be frustrated with their score. You have plenty of opportunity to make it up. That's why we have the APA paper and presentation that we're doing, and that's why we have 2 more tests. The first test is kind of to see where you're at. The second test will have a study guide, and so will the final exam, so you'll have kind of an idea of what to go through. And when you go through the first test, a lot of the information is going to be on the second and third test. So it's kind of a ladder that we're climbing. The first couple of steps are going to be the hardest. Be sure to take that exam. I also opened up week 8. So that's chapter 6, week 8. It's kind of a normal chapter, pretty much the same thing. All you have is review questions, so be able to log in, do that work. It's really interesting. I think chapter 6 is going to be something that you're not kind of bored with. There's a lot of great information in there. But the main thing I want you to remember is to please be sure to take your exam. Again, it's not going to be easy. However, it's a good way to start. We're at the bottom of the ladder. It only gets easier from here. If you have any questions regarding the exam or have any issues, please let me know. To get to it, all you got to do is go to course content, and it's right here in order of the weeks. Week 7, exam 1. So if you need anything, please let me know. I appreciate all the effort that you're putting in thus far. I think everyone's doing a good job. Remember, you have this community forum to communicate with people if needed. So far, no one's used it, but that's okay. But I appreciate everyone and their work and the effort they're putting into this law and ethics class. So let me know if you need anything. Thanks so much for all you're doing. Reach out if you have any issues with exam 1 due Sunday. Thanks.